EDC update. First of all, what I carry on my body will be Streamlight Stylus Pro flashlight. We'll carry a cell phone. Cell phone is Verizon Jordan Cartable. My handgun will be Glock 17. For the hard Kydex holster is a Frampton holster for TLR1 light. And spare mag. I have this blade. It will be Raja 3 cold steel. All the blade that I have in another pocket will be my Emerson Combat Karambit. Wallet, Maxpedition wallet, and this is the Maxpedition Jumbo Pack LEO bag, and show you what I carry here. On the top, we got a pocket here, and I have a Streamlight light in that pocket. I also have this little light right here. It's pretty bright, 3 different settings. This is called a Nova light. And on this side of the pocket, I have a radio. It's a Garmin Rhino model 120. It has GPS on it and a 2-way radio. I have a S-bender here, and I carry my Sony camera here sometimes. Just have it there dangling. I also have water bottle right here with water. This I have a Maxpedition roly poly. Here I have in this pocket 2 trauma packs, first aid. I have 2 of them. Top pocket. I have a pepper spray bottle. Earplugs, Surefire earplugs. And I have this cutter. It's an Ontario Knife Company tool. Right here at the front. Have a zipper right here. And I have body heat. Right here at the front pocket I have a all-weather pad, a blanket, emergency blanket. That's all for that pocket. That pocket I have 4 spare magazines and rubber gloves. Well, I also forgot I have Oakley's M-frame sunglasses that I wear. Inside of the pocket here I have rations. I have some rations, MRE, just in case I need it. Got some gloves. Have some paracord. Have a small first aid kit. Got some Kleenex. This is a box spray, and also it works as a sun repellent, SPF 30. Have some medical tape. This is waterproof tape. This is like a raincoat, disposable raincoat. I have some zip ties. Got a stick light stick, Q-tips, small sewing kit, some hand sanitizer, have batteries, the 123 lights, Surefire brand. Also got here some AAA and AA batteries. Have Gatorade powder, mix it up. Got some water tablets to disinfect water. Waterproof matches. And in this waterproof bag, I got some toilet paper, some Neosporin, and some pills, some Advil. On the secret compartment on the back, I have a small pry tool, small protein shake energy shot. And I also have this Maxpedition bag here with some flint make fire. And on the inside, have a few items here. Sharpie, pen, pencil, knife. That's crazy glue, multi-tool, chapstick. This is another tool. Fire, some bits. Inside here I have another warmer. This is a leg warmer for the feet and a hand warmer. And on this side I have another light with thermometer, compass. I have this Colgate wisp. And I have some more hand sanitizer. And that's my EDC kit. I carry this every day on my car, sometimes on my body, not always. It's pretty heavy. This is just for the winter time. Summertime will be changed. So this is my EDC kit for January 2011. Thank you.